Yo, this. If any Butt Hair Kingdom members here, Kingdom is here. Let's see. Butt Hair Kingdom. Butt Hair Kingdom. Welcome back to the kingdom, everyone. I hope everyone has been staying plucking. I hope everyone has been twirling their butt hairs. This is a very new location and setting. Usually I'm in my humble abode. Alright, there's no way the Butt Hair Kingdom is awake right now. Can't be. The kingdom can't be awake. Let's see. Is the kingdom awake? No, I am not from the UK. You look like you're from Sydney. I'm the Butt Hair King. I'm from one of the states in Australia. And I'm here to spread my wisdom on butt hairs. Oh, you know, it is because it is so late. Possibly. It's so late so that the usual Butt Hair gang members. Well, T, would you like to join the Butt Hair Kingdom? Beautiful. You want to join the Butt Hair? Okay, so what we're going to do here now is we're going to pluck out a butt hair. Obviously, this is not the usual way that we do things, but I need to co-host. What is this? GZBX67. I don't know what that means. So I'm gonna pluck out a butt hair real quick. Oh. Alright, that's a beautiful baby butt hair. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna name your butt hair. So give your butt hair a name. Okay, I'll help you decide. Let's name it Sunshine. I'm gonna name him Sunshine. All right, Sunshine, you are going to be a McDonald's worker. Alright, so what happens here now is that Sunshine is going to be blown off into the sunset. And in about 5 to 10 years, he will be back. He'll be stronger, more knowledgeable. He will be the protector of your booty hole, your soul, and your mind. Right? So let's blow Sunshine off into the sunset. Off he goes into the sunset. Now, let's play some 9 a.m. Calabasas to commemorate this moment. Hold on. Let's wait for the music. Yes. I bless this butt hair into the sunset. Be free. Be kind. Go on your journey. Find your other brothers and sisters out in the world. Come back to T in 5 to 10 years. No, I am not Indian. I'm Sri Lankan. I'm actually surprised that we did a ritual today, so this is really good. Be strong for no not. Oh yes, The Butt-Hair King does not believe in societal norms such as No Nut November. Now, Butt-Hair members and citizens, we are a higher race than the human race. I'm not trying to be cocky, I'm not trying to be overconfident, but humans are greedy and corrupt. Butt-Hair pluckers like myself, we are not that way. We are spiritual beings, guided by Mother Nature. So yes, I will not be participating in the humans, as they call No Nut November. Alright, this could be the perfect time to actually do some lessons, because it's quiet, and usually all my disciples are the next generation, which is I have to raise them into the next Butt-Hair pluckers. So this is a good moment for me to actually take a step back, talk about the kingdom, Butt-Hair's Mother Nature. And this is good because we can actually feel the wind outside as well. If I open the door, hold on. There she is. Mother Nature is touching me and she feels amazing. I can feel it. I can feel her. Beautiful. Now, being a member of the Butt-Hair Kingdom, some of the first rules that you have to abide by are the loyalty to your king, violation warning. How did I get a violation? Live is flagged for dangerous activities and challenges. Interesting. It's okay. It's 2 a.m. Yes, it is 2 a.m. But, the king doesn't rest. I'm always finding new ways to grow the kingdom. I'm always trying to expand the kingdom. There's no rest. There's no rest for the Butt-Hair King. Let me check these restrictions real quick. I'm a bit confused. Life contains themes that are uncomfortable or dangerous. Interesting. Never had that before. Happy being a ween. What does that mean? What does happy being a ween mean? Happy being a ween? I'm unsure of that. Happy Finoween. Happy Finoween. Is it time for me to step outside, maybe? Okay, let me go into Mother Nature. I'm going to go into Mother Nature. Okay. Everyone, I'm going to go into the Mother Nature. How do I flip the camera now? Flip camera. Is the camera flipped? Okay. Alright, hold everyone, hold. Oh, where are my car keys? keys, everyone, to the mobile. I'm trying to find. This is a very special class today. I've never gone out into the field on a live before. Okay, where? Get my keys. We've lost my keys. This is not good. We've lost my keys. We've lost my keys. People have lost my keys. Gosh. This is not good. Ah, I found them. Oh, that's a very close call. Okay, we're ready to begin. It's pretty cold. I do not know why I wear shorts. What is, if there's any important comments, gesture to me and I will come forth and check it out. Okay, this is very interesting. Come. As you can see, there's litter on the ground. There's litter on the ground. Highly unacceptable. Highly unacceptable. Now, we are venturing out into Mother Nature's land. I feel like a unicorn. Many lessons are to be learned here. Now, let me speak upon a topic. As you can see, there are multiple cars running around. Now, are cars my desired mode of transport? No. Unfortunately, I have to blend in like a human. So, we drive a car to blend in like the human. I would prefer to levitate on a leaf. So float on a leaf. Usually that's how Mother Nature desires it. Floating on a leaf. Oh, that is nice and bright on my face. Floating on a leaf, and obviously that produces less carbon dioxide, which as a result heals Mother Nature's trees and bodies and heals the animals all around us, okay? Now, what does butt hairs have to do with all that? Oh. Billy! Yes, let Billy in. Let Billy in. My goodness, Billy, I was not expecting you to...
How's it, mate? What we doing? What we doing in the open, mate?
How are you doing, Billy?
Yeah, not bad, mate. What are you doing up at bloody 2 a.m?
I'm doing a Mother Nature request. She told me to get up today at the middle of the night and go for a walk to keep an eye on all her children. So when I say children, I mean the grass, I mean the sky, the plants.
You know what's funny? You know how I actually found out you were alive?
How did you find it?
Because this girl that I'm talking to, yeah, she saw you on live. Like, she was just scrolling and she told me she was really... I was about to go to sleep yet. I'm getting spam notifications. She said that you're alive, so I joined up.
Wow.
Yeah, mate. So the word's getting around, mate.
The word's getting around. Good. The word is spreading. This is what I like to hear. And I'm actually super happy that you have joined us for a little bit. Now, obviously, do you go and get your sleep? It's very important that you get your sleep.
Oh, mate, don't worry. I've been up for fucking a whole day, so it's all good.
Okay. Well,
who's holding the camera? Is it just the aura holding it up?
The aura is indeed holding it up. It is Mother Nature.
Could it be PJ Best Moments?
Is Cappy J Best Moments here?
Is that him holding the camera?
Is it? No. He's from India.
Hmm.
Guys, we're gonna do a bit of a warming up dance because it is very cold. Very cold, very cold, very cold. Very cold. Very
Can the cameraman do some more movement?
Hold on. Everyone, it is a spider.
Definitely. Oh, what the hell? We step on his.
We're gonna let it be.
Oh,
We're gonna let it be.
can't let
Okay.
it go.
Yes, yes. Okay, let's go. Now, as you
Right.
can see, there are. Yes.
I'm surprised you're even awake this time. Normally you end your streams.
Yes, I was actually not meant to have class today, but like I said, Mother Nature requested, and we are here.
And now you're on a little Mother Nature walk.
Yes, a little bit of a Mother Nature walk.
Wait, where are you even walking at?
Where am I?
Yeah.
I will not disclose that information.
Okay. Yeah, let's not dox yourself here.
Huh?
Let's not dox yourself.
Yes, I'm not gonna dox myself. I'm not gonna dox myself. This is highly, highly, highly unusual. And guys, look. Ah, yes, I'm just reading the chat. Okay, to everyone who's just joined, thank you very much, my butt hair disciples. This is a very weird, sort of unusual class that we are having today. We are out in the field. So I have heard from Mother Nature there is an infected tree. And we are
Infected
going to
tree,
go
you
to
said?
the tree.
An infected tree? Where's it at?
We're about to get to it when this human man-made hole, I believe, turns green now.
See, if that was me, I would have crossed the road by now, red or not.
No, we have to blend in as a human. We can't do, things that make us stand out. If we stand out, they'll realize our power.
If I drop a TikTok universe, would you get hit by a car? I just said, if I sent to a TikTok universe, would you get hit by a car?
Billy, you know that I do not do things for the, as humans call it, the
You might be
moolah.
on Instagram Reels after, but it's
We
not
do not
that
do
good.
things for the moolah, Billy, please.
Alright, sorry. Alright, my fault.
This is truly taking a long time. Oh, here we go.
Your aura just saw you, mate.
We are now crossing the walkway. As you can see, there is a car over here. It is a man-made car. Okay? But we must walk very carefully. Alright, everyone be careful. Oh no, it is red. We must quickly cross before we get run over. We made it safely. Now we will cross over here into the water.
Can we get a cameraman reveal or not?
We made it.
Can we get a cameraman reveal?
No. Cameraman will not be revealed because there is no camera. It is simply the forces of Mother Nature.
I saw a shadow.
I don't think you did. Okay.
I know it's Ryan, but I just can't prove it.
Come, my disciples. Where is this infected tree? Ah, there it is. I see an infected tree. Right over there.
Can you climb the tree for us?
We're not going to climb this tree, Billy. We're going to cleanse this tree. All right.
Your cameraman, show the tree one more time. No, like on the grass area.
First step is to analyze our surroundings. So we've got the infected tree over here. Yeah, it's infected. I know, Mother Nature, I know it's infected. Okay. This is not good.
I think we vote for IRL streams during the day. Gromen, by the way.
No critters. This is no critter crawlies. This is not good.
Dude, someone in the chat said, I think my neighbors got killed. I can't lie.
What?
Someone just said in the chat, talking about how, guys, I think my neighbors got killed. I can't lie.
That is highly disturbing, and we hope that is not the case. However, we have more important matters at hand. This tree is.
You just said got more important matters. Someone just got killed.
Now. Wet. Wet? Yes.
Sniffing Mother Nature. Can you sniff my Mother Nature or no?
Of course. Mother Nature and I, we have to...
Can you sniff me?
Billy, if your butt hairs are infected, I will get inside your butt, of course.
Yeah, they're infected on purpose now.
Billy, it's highly inappropriate. Now,
you just said it's infected. It's infected.
What we have here is a wooden leaf. Now, a wooden leaf, because this is a wooden tree, to cleanse it, we will need a wooden leaf. So what we're going to do here, guys, this is very different from our first cleanse. By Mother Nature, you will be cleansed. Get rid of all the demonic spirits. Get rid of all the evil spirits around you. I will cleanse you, you will be cleansed. The Bate King is going to cleanse you. Cleanse you of all evil, of all wrongdoing. You will become one with Mother Nature again. You will become one with Mother Nature again. You will become one with Mother Nature again. You will become one with Mother Nature again.
Gromen, by the way. Gromen, by the way.
Please do not. You will become one with Mother Nature again. You will become one with Mother Nature again. Here you go. You will become one with Mother Nature again. It's speeding up. It's happening. You will become one with Mother Nature again. You will become one with Mother Nature again. You will become one with Mother Nature again. Oh!
People is currently driving past you watching this shit right now.
You. Right, pluck one out.
Oh my.
You will become one with Mother Nature. 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 Wait. Sensing.
Hey, Cav, can you do a backflip?
Wait.
There's a spider right there, by the way.
It is cleansed. The tree is cleansed. I will place the wooden leaf in its chamber. You are now cleansed and one with Mother Nature once again. There you have it, my disciples. A cleansing. Out in the field with the king. Yes.
Why does the camera look so, like, short? Is cameraman 5'2"?
Remember, I do not have a cameraman. I do not have a camera anything. It is simply the spirits guiding. What is that? Are you making a mockery of the king?
No, sorry, I was just bugging the system, so. Keep walking, good boy.
Time out. Self-reflection.
No, sorry.
Do I need to put you on self-reflection?
No, you I don't need to go to self-reflection. King, I'm sorry. King, I'm sorry.
Black Ron would say you will be banished from the kingdom.
King, just keep walking. I'm sorry. I want to see more of the nature.
You're on thin ice, Billy.
You're on thin ice.
He is an empath.
Keep walking, bucko.
What was that? Alright, self-reflection.
No, listen, wait, let me... Wait, no, look,
I cannot
look,
have
it's 2:30 in the morning.
No. Billy, whether it's 2:30 in the morning, whether it's 5 p.m. at night, there is no disrespect towards the Bate King. Okay? And that is final. That is final. Goodness gracious me. Alright, off we go back to the mobile. I'm parched from that cleansing. And I cannot believe I did a cleansing for the class. And unfortunately, a lot of the class is, I believe, sleeping. So they would not have been able to witness that. But if you did witness that, consider yourself very, very lucky, as that is a once in a blue moon type of event. Okay, once in a blue moon type of event. You smell that? I smell fumes, and it's absolutely disgusting. What is that? Car fumes everywhere. Destroying my nostrils, destroying my lungs. Mother Nature, I see why you have brought me onto this earth. You have brought me. Good night, Billy. Have a good night, Billy. Thank you very much for tuning in, but you're still on timeout. You are still on timeout. But as I was saying, I see why Mother Nature has brought me onto this earth. Heal this disgusting human-ridden planet. Goodness gracious me. This is why our butt hairs are so important. And this is why we must stay plucking at all times. Okay? Now, alright guys, now I believe that is all for this secret little class. I know I probably should have done this a bit earlier out in the field for everyone to watch. However, the king operates on his own schedule, and I operate on Mother Nature's commands as well. So with that being said, thank you to everyone who tuned in for this secret class. Stay plucking, stay twirling, and I will see you all in the next class. Goodbye all.